Hello, my dear friends. Have a nice day. I hope that you are all fine. I'm Oscar Putone. Today, I'm going to give you some practical insights and perspective, which was based on human nature, socioeconomics, and the philosophy of understanding things better. Be sure to listen carefully to this video until the end. That might answer some of the most curious questions. Have you ever wondered why some people are poor while others are rich? Now, here are the 6 stepping stones toward financial prosperity.
First, embrace wisdom. Wisdom exists even before time has begun. He was with the Father Almighty, like an architect. Those who embrace wisdom are rewarded with great abundance, and money is only the consequence. Wise men listen to advice of those who have gone through time. Separate themselves from fools and stupidity. This correlates with good decision making. Money guided by wisdom creates security. Without it, wealth may disappear. Second, the law of constancy. Small things repeated over time begins significant result. It is like building a foundation where every block is set until the whole house is finished. Picture out, plant a tree beside a concrete wall. As the tree grows bigger, the roots will exert pressure on the wall, and it will be broken, not by a single blow of immense force, but by the accumulated force over time. It's the same idea to financial prosperity, to be keep moving no matter how slow as long as you have direction. Third, strategy. Effort alone without strategy is empty. People may stay busy but remain stagnant because their action lacks direction. This is about getting things done with less effort or exhaustion. This includes planning, risk assessment, and probabilities. Example, the lion takes down the buffalo using all his force, but risks his own life. But the fox use the element of surprise when the prey has less time to react. The multiple income streams. Wealth is like farming, planting the seed on different fields for a multiple harvest, because you are not certain which field has a great harvest. In modern business, people diversify in different areas of trade, such as in retailing, food business, agriculture, aquaculture, marketing, and others. Protect individuals from total loss by ensuring that success does not depend on a single source of income. When one stream weakens, others can continue to provide support. Fifth, discipline. In personal life, discipline guides individuals to make responsible choice, effective time management, and the ability to resist distraction. Example, impulsive buying. On the early stage of success, if you buy a brand new car, this will make you look rich because of the status symbol that it brings. But actually, it will cost and drain your money for expensive parts and maintenance. Rather use the money for a new venture which is profitable. 6. Generosity, the act of giving. How many times you have opened your hand to help those who are in need? This is a divine principle that defies human logic, that when you give, you will be empty. There's the one who gives out of generosity, but his wealth increases. But the other one who holds, but becomes poor. Generosity opens the door for abundance, an invisible hand that gives you more than what you give, in a manner and time you don't expect. That's all for this video. Thank you for listening and have a nice day.